And now, from the town of Winona, the 112th Wintario Draw.
Come on, Ontario, play Wintario. With Wintario, we all will.
And here's your host for tonight's draw, Fred Davis.
Thank you. Thank you. Welcome to Wintario, and you folks here in Winona Park are certainly in a good mood. I know a lot of credit goes to the great entertainment you've been enjoying earlier, and maybe the prospect that this is going to be your lucky night, and we'll certainly extend our good wishes for good luck for all of you here in the park and, of course, watching along the network. We're very happy to be here in Peach Festival country, and in introducing my co-host tonight, it's been with a lot of self-discipline, and I've discarded so many bad puns that were passed on to me, you know, with peaches, and we've got a lovely young lady. So she said she wouldn't come out here if I did anything questionable. So would you agree, if we can carry that analogy a little bit further, you gentlemen, wouldn't you agree that delicious would be a word to apply to this young lady? Let her know how you feel. Faye Dance.
Well, I accept that, and thank you very much.
All right.
I must say, earlier today during rehearsal, it looked so empty out here, and tonight there are so many people. It's really nice of you to all turn out for
And they're
Wintario.
from all over, not only local folks. They've driven in from Hamilton. There was one couple here from Toronto, maybe more, you know, so they've come a long distance, and we're very happy, and we wish you luck.
And we took quite a chance having the draw outdoors, but it's beautiful here tonight under the trees, and thank goodness no rain.
And this is one night that I am feverishly on the commercial breaks that I'm grabbing Kleenex and won't have to be wiping perspiration from my brow. Faye, I mentioned the Winona Peach Festival. For those folks who are going to be making a special trip to this part of our country, that begins next Friday for 3 days, and the theme this year of this year's proceedings is the International Year of the Child.
That's right, and because of that, there are some special activities for the children, such as carnival and pony rides. And the festival also features helicopter rides, there's a Saturday night dance, there are policemen's games. So, in fact, there's something for everyone.
Right, and we've got chances for everyone. As a matter of fact, 5 chances for the big grand prize of $100,000 each. We've got 5 of those, plus many secondary prizes. So let's have Faye begin by explaining how our game works.
Here's the structure for the 5th, 4th, 3rd, and 2nd grand prizes. If the 5-digit winning ticket number and the series number are the same as on your ticket, then you win $100,000. If you have the correct ticket number in any other series, you win $1,000. If only the last 4 digits correspond, you win $100. Or if you have the corresponding last 3, middle 3, or first 3 digits of any of tonight's winning numbers, you win $10. If you have the first grand prize number combination, you of course win $100,000. If you have the winning ticket number in any other series, you win $10,000. All the other prizes are the same. Finally, if the last 2 digits of your ticket number are identical to and in the same order as the special windfall number, you win a windfall prize, a book of 5 tickets for the next draw.
And this is how you win. The 5 machines you see grouped together here on stage select the winning ticket numbers by random chance, and the digits appear in order as they do on your tickets from left to right. Now, the 6th machine, the one closest to us here on stage, selects the winning series numbers. Tonight, that machine will contain 48 balls, numbered, of course, 1 to 48, to represent the 48 series of tickets that were issued for tonight's draw. At this point, we ask our assistants to come on stage and load the machines for us.
And I'll be asking for volunteers from our audience to help us activate the machines by means of this remote control device. When the remote button is pushed, the trap door at the base of the revolving drum opens, and this allows any one ball to drop at random. While the trap is open, the red indicator light flashes. When the ball drops, the trap closes and the red light goes out.
Thank you, Faye. Now, if you'll use those steps over there to move out into the audience, look for those all-important helpers who actually push the buttons for us on the show. I'd like to introduce our official recorder this evening from Montreal Trust, Mr. Douglas Hodgson in Font Hill. Mr. Hodgson, nice to have you with us on the show. Because of the setup here at the park, the official recorder is just a little bit further than the front row in an auditorium, but you can see the numbers, you can see the machines, can you, Mr. Hodgson? No problem there. And if you see us inadvertently do something wrong, just jump up and get us back on the tracks again. Okay, we're ready now with our first draw. Actually, it's our 5th grand prize draw, but the amount of the grand prize is the same, $100,000, if you've got the 5 digits of the ticket number and the series correct. So we wish you all luck. Machines are ready, Valerie? Yes, they are. Okay, we're ready to go. Sandy, would you roll the machines for us, please? And they're all in motion. Now, Faye Dance, who helps us first?
Could I have your name, please?
Betty Smith?
And I see you have a Winona Peach Festival button. Are you involved in the festival?
No, not.
But you're going to go to it, right? What do you do in Winona?
I work at the Royal Bank in Winona.
So if you win some money tonight, you could put it in the bank, right?
Yeah.
Let's see what happens.
Thank you, and we're launched for the first time this evening. Red lights flashing, trap doors open, digits dropping. The series ball is already in place, partly obscured from here. And we have to wait, as you regulars know, until all digits are down to make up a 5-digit winning ticket number in this 5th grand prize winning Wintario draw, the first of the evening. And we're currently waiting for 2 machines to disgorge their good news. Good news for some, for many actually. Because we're not only thinking of a grand prize of $100,000, but the secondaries as well. Okay, Valerie, what are we starting with? Turns out to be a 7. Check your tickets. We follow that with an 8. Backward step, and Valerie holds up another 8. Next digit is a 3. And finally, in this drop, we are looking at a 0. Okay, there's the winning ticket number. Now the sometimes long walk to the series machine. And it turns out to be a 1-4. If you have series 14, ticket number 78830, you've just won yourself $100,000. Okay, check your tickets again. Even you didn't get the correct series number, but you got the 5 digits of the ticket number right tonight, 78830. Then you've won yourself $1,000, all tax-free, remember. If you've got the last 4 of those digits correct, 8830 in your ticket, then you're a $100 winner. If you've got the last 3 right, 830, then you're a $10 winner. If you can match the middle 3 with our middle 3 here, 883, you're a $10 winner. And if you've got the first 3 right on your ticket, right being 788, you're also a $10 winner. So congratulations to all of the people who hit it on our first draw this evening. Over 12,000 possible winners in our first draw alone, which means we've got 4 more grand prize draws to go, as well as a windfall draw. So let's have Valerie reload the machines. We're going to take a brief break here in Winona and then be back with you in just a moment.